this on?
Oh, as you can see, it is making, or you can hear, it is not packed very well. There are pieces flopping all around inside, and the box is still sealed. This is how it arrived, in this type of condition. Wow. The box is all beat up.
This is the tape.
Tape is all intact as of now. Now we're going to open the package. Box inside the box.
With rocks in it?
He put rocks inside the package. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 rocks inside the package. That was making the rattling noise. See? Okay.
And we're gonna open
Now
this.
we're gonna open this.
Okay, so
Now we're going to open this one. As you can see, this one is sealed. Tape is intact on both ends.
and now we're gonna put the rocks on the table. I guess to put more weight on the box. Is that guy from UPS still outside? Let's see, 1 second.
The box.
Okay, so let's open this.
Here.
Okay, you got it? It's recorded?
Box? Yeah. There's the box.
And it's absolutely empty.
There's absolutely nothing in the box. You just open the package and there's nothing in the box at all. Completely empty in the box.
Again?
Just going with the angle. Absolutely. Let me move back a little bit so you can see better. Nothing in there. Nothing in there. As you can see, we opened it on tape, and the only thing that was making it have weight was the 4 large rocks that we showed before in the box.
So once the rocks.
These were the rocks again that we found inside the box.
Okay. Let me see if I could catch that guy.